Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Oppo Enco Air 2 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Android app. At first we have to open our app. Now we have to click agree and continue. We have to agree for statement of use. Now we have to click add. Now we have to allow for connecting to nearby devices. Now we have to close and open our case to go into pairing mode. Now we have to click add one more time, and as you can see, Oppo Enco Air 2. We have to click on it and click pair. Now we have to wait a moment because it can last some time. For me it lasted a few seconds. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye!